Morning everybody, this is Steve from Jeep Grille Skins and STW Wraps, doing an install video for a 2009 to 2009 to 14 Ford F150 pickup truck 6-bar grill. So we have our skin made, grill's already clean, and let's see if this goes as smoothly as it's supposed to. So the key in this, with this grill, hope I don't lose you guys out of frame, but the main goal is to really just guide the skin along the grill. It's obviously just my opinion, but we made these things just as simple as possible so that you guys don't have to struggle with them. And as long as I'm able to do it in a fairly timely manner, which you will not see any camera tricks, speeding up, slowing down. Don't see any of that. It's all real time. I'm just going to get this thing done for you. Trying to make sure I took the right ones from the right spots on the backing paper. This is as simple as it looks. One thing that'll help you is to have the skin facing the way that you're installing. Otherwise, you'll do what I just did and get confused. I wish I would do a lot more talking. So let me give you a little bit of information just for things that are coming up with Jeep Grille Skins and STW Wraps. We also have a company that we're working on called Wheels in Color, which you'll be able to. You can actually buy wheels and tires from us with coloring on them. So let's say, me personally, I drive an F150 pickup and I have Fuel Maverick wheels on them, on the truck. So I want to, you know, I wanted to put color on them because my truck constantly changes color. So what we did is we came up with a company that is where I was able to buy the rims already colored. There's an Instagram page. The handle is Wheels in Color. There's a website, www.wheelsincolor.com. That's where you can buy the wheels already colored. The website isn't as perfect as I'd like it because it's so expensive. You know, so you know, if you do have wheels that you'd like to buy, Wheels in Color will match any price for the wheels that you got. So if you have what is it called, Mr. Tire or something like that, or Tire Rack, you know, and they gave you a certain price for wheels, as long as you want to get your wheels colored from Wheels in Color, will match that price. Then all you have to do, basically all you're going to pay for after that would be the coloring of the wheels. Coloring of the wheels is $500 for all wheels, and we can do so many different colors. I definitely encourage everybody to check that out. Like I said, the handle for that is Wheels in Color. The website is wheelsincolor.com, and it's another way to add some pretty cool effects to whatever vehicle you're driving. I mean, you know, nowadays we all have some similar cars and trucks, and we always want to make them different, you know, which is obviously why we're doing grill skins on all our trucks, you know. So the Wheels in Color is another way to individualize and customize the vehicle that you're driving. You know, Wheels in Color offers Moto Metal, Fuel, MHT, XD, you know, Black Rhino. We're working on getting Toxic wheels. What else? Dixie Peck. All these different wheel manufacturers carry the wheels for it, and then you just pick colors that you want, and then we take care of it. We accent them. Very, very cool stuff. In my opinion, I'm a little biased. But again, you need wheels. You know, go get your prices on eBay, you know, Tire Rack, all those. Get the prices, email them over, and we'll match it and get you colored and get your wheels shipped out for you. You know, just another way to, you know, to individualize your vehicle. Hopefully this isn't taking very long. So my centerpiece was a little bit off. Get it closer. Line it up a little better. So I can see how it is too wide. What I'm doing right now is I'm checking to see if it'll work. As long as the cut is in there. Alright, so I'm just going to get a squeegee and make sure this is down. Dropping it on there is really good, but the pressure, if you don't press down on it, it won't stay. You don't want this thing flying off as we go down the street. My phone is blowing up. It's really frustrating. I'm trying to make a video. I should have put that sucker on vibrate. Potential pitfalls with putting these skins on. One would be overstretching, depending on the climate where you are, the amount of humidity, temperature, and how much pull, pressure, tension, how much tension you're putting on the skin will determine how far or whether it's going to line up with the edges or not. So don't press too hard the first time. That's the best advice I can give to you. You know, just put it down, check it out, and grab a squeegee. It's almost like when you repair a truck or a car, they say to line everything up before you tighten it down for the final time. And then go back, tighten all your bolts, make sure everything is where it needs to be, functional. So that's what I'm doing now. Going over it. I'm happy with my placement. Top one is a little tricky. If I had my heat gun hooked up, it'd probably be a better idea. But I don't, so I'm like improvising. I don't even know if I'm going to put this video on YouTube. Squeegee will make it so much easier. It's flat because with your hands, you know, the squeegee's great, and then if you add a heat gun to this mix, you know, what I'm doing here is I'm trying to, or I am making sure that my skin lays flat. It starts to crinkle up when there's too much angle on it, I guess I could say. So if I have my heat gun hooked up, it'll just mold right to it. Because I do this for a living, let's see if I can do it without a heat gun. It's definitely going to be a difficult task. to do a little bit of a better job on the emblem again with my heat gun. Let's see, let's go in closer. Let's have a closer look, shall we? So there's your skin. Fly to the front. Sorry, it's getting shaky. To the front of a red grill, so you can see where the open spots are. If you want the grill to be all one color, like let's say a black background, then I would suggest Plasti-Dip or paint. You know, or you know, ask if we have some wrap pieces, probably an extra 20 bucks for, you know, 1 inch thick, 2 inch thick pieces, and you can wrap it on there yourself. I would go to Plasti-Dip route just because it's cheaper and faster. All you have to do is mask out the wrap, Plasti-Dip the whole thing, and then if you ever want to get rid of it, the whole thing comes off, Plasti-Dip and all. I think that's it. If you need any other information, send us an email, jeepgrillskins.com or steve@stwgraphics.com. Like I said, check out Wheels in Color and let us know if you need any wheels with some color accents, and just stay tuned for more videos. Alright, enjoy your day. Peace.